Hello, are we live? Let me see. Are we live? Yes, we are live. Hold on. Yep, we are live. Just a sec. All right. So, hello everyone, and welcome back to my stream. And if you're new to my stream, my name is Abhishek Sharma, and I'm trying to build a full stack social media application using MongoDB and Typescript. And if you enjoy my stream, do consider subscribing to my channel. And let's get started. Kakashi, did you make your Discord server? I created the Discord account. I did not get time to create the server. I created. Sunil Tariq R20. Hello, sir. Hello, Sunil. Welcome back to my stream, brother. How are you? And welcome back to my stream, Kakashi. CD. Basically, I'm thinking that, like, let more people join this channel. Then maybe I'll create the server so that, more people can join it. Let me know what you think about it. C front end. सुनील तारिक R20 सर मुझे कार्ड स्लाइस की असाइनमेंट मिली है थोड़ा गाइड करें रिडक्स का टॉपिक है ओ क्रिएट स्लाइस ओके बेसिकली होता क्या है एक सेकेंड सुनील npm run dev npm run dev fine so basically but you can literally promote your Discord every stream. Yeah, Kakashi, that is true. But like my days are going so fast that I am not getting a time to create a Discord server. Like I'm trying to create it, but like I don't know what is happening. All right. So Sunil, pay attention here. What we do is that first we install Redux, basically npm I Redux JS toolkit. We install that. Right. We also install React Redux. This is the first step. And after that, we create a store. Basically, this is a store. This is the store, and we also create slices. There's a concept of slice in Redux, right? And basically, a slice is telling our Redux store that what are the methods and what are the data that we are going to store in our state, right? I hope this is clear. So first is that, for example, I'm using my user data in my Redux, right, in my store, in my state, basically application state. So first I'm creating an interface, ID, username, email, profile image. Then I'm creating an interface for auth state. User data that will contain this object is authenticated a boolean data type, and loading will be a boolean. Loading will be true or false, right? Then I'm creating an initial state and I'm passing this data type here, and initially I'll have null user because there will be no user data. Then I have is authenticated as false and loading as true, right? Kakashi WW, why do you use plain React instead of Next.js? For all Next.js users, React and industry uses it. Yeah, that is true, industry uses it. But Next.js is built on top of React, right? So if you want to master Next.js, you must need to understand React properly. See, when I build my SaaS and when I start building my startup, then I'll go to Next.js. But the issue is, if I build my backend also in Next.js, then it will be difficult for me if I want to shift to mobile application, right? So for backend, I'll stick to Node and Express, and later on for frontend, I'll go to Next.js. But in this application, this social media application, I want to understand React also properly, and I want to write production ready code, right? So that is why I'm using just React here. That's the reason. Tanishk 9442. Hello Tanishk, welcome to my stream. Hello Abhishek, I have built two deployed full stack projects using MERN stack. What would you recommend learning next, DevOps or any other skills? I'd appreciate your guidance. See, if you have deployed it, it means that you know MERN stack properly, like you know how to write production ready code, right? So next thing you can learn is DevOps. DevOps is important. You can start with DevOps, like understand Docker, right? If you are applying for jobs and all, try to understand Kubernetes. These are the two things, Docker and Kubernetes, and understand Redis caching. Then advanced topics like Socket.io, web sockets. Understand these things. And in DevOps, you can understand CI/CD pipelines, GitHub Actions, or Jenkins. You can use these things. Sunil Tariq R20. Thank you, sir. Welcome, Sunil. All right. So there we go. And here also, if I go here, localhost 5173. Kakashi WW, should I create a Discord server for you and transfer ownership to your Discord account? Kakashi, that's a very sweet offer, but I don't want to like trouble you. Like, I'll create a Discord server like initially. I hope I create it. Uh, like, yeah, I'll create it maybe by this week. Then I'll let you know. Test user 2, test user 2, or maybe I should create my own application where you all can join as a membership type of thing. Let's see. Okay, so this is what I have created till now. I have unlocked test user 2. This is it. Follow, unfollow, fine. This is done. Now let's start with comments. Now today let's start with comments. Like, if I click on this comment, hold on, just a sec. If I come here, I liked it. Then if I come here, this is not liked. Why? If I unlike it, and if I come here and I refresh it, then still it is liked. Hold on. If I unlike it here, if I come here, if I refresh it, it is unliked. If I come here and if I come back, test user one, this one, and if I come here, if I refresh it, it is not liked. It is not liked. Why it is not liked? Okay, there's a bug. Okay, if I come here, just a sec. If I come here, okay, so this like is not registering. Let's see. Uh, Debansh Shupati 207. Hello Debansh Shupati, welcome to my stream. Bro, I had a error, or you say a basic doubt. Like, if I say I have an ID in URL and it gets refreshed on a upload functionality, and then I don't know really how can I able to send backend in my form data. If I have a URL, basic, like if I have an URL ID in URL, okay, I get refreshed on upload functionality, and then I don't know okay, so basically you need to do that thing, e dot prevent default. There's this thing called e dot prevent default. Basically, usually in our form data, we have the state is, like, whenever form gets submit, it gets refreshed. So to you need to prevent that, you need to use prevent default. You can search about it, Kakashi. All right, by the way, now I want to add socket IO in my app, but I am kind of stuck on how to make it work with my auth and postgres prisma. Okay, see, basically in socket, you can follow this playlist, this video that I'm following. You can see this YouTube video on socket programming. This is what I'm following to learn. Devansh Gupta, I have used the const. There is going to use params, but keeps getting empty. Star is going to use params. Const. Why are you using star and then dir? Tanishk 9442. Bro, other than coding, do you hit gym? Yes, I go to gym. Like, basic workout I do. Pull ups, push ups, all those things. Kakashi, thanks. Let me check it out. Yeah, sure, Kakashi, you can check that out. All right. So what is happening is here my like is getting registered. That is true. And if I after liking, if I come here, hold on. What the fuck happened? Okay. Here my like is getting registered. And I'm going here, then I'm getting this. Now this is happening. Here it is getting registered. But when I unlike this here and when I come here, it is not getting registered. So let's see if I come here, network. When I like unlike, it is not hitting the API only. Fine. Frontend, SRC, components, profile page components, user post. Well, like user post and feed page per feed post. Toggle like post. Okay, this is I'm not doing it here. Toggle like. Toggle like. Just a sec. Yep. This I did here. Fine. Now if I come here, I close it. Now if I unlike it, I liked it. If I go here, it is unliked. I like it. Now if I come here, it is liked. If I unlike it, now I come back here, it is unliked. Fine, this is working. Depanch, Depanshu Pati 207. Star basically to use it as an alias, nothing big, but dir is the main variable, and I have to use the prevent default, bro. Yeah, see, basically what you are doing, just a sec. Where's my notepad? Basically, what you need to do is here. Basically, what we do usually we do something like this. For example, user ID you are getting from URL, right? Then you have to do use params. If you are using React Router DOM, then you can do use params, right? Just a sec. Use params. This you get. Then basically, if your URL is something like this, uh, uh, for example, something like this: HTTP localhost 5173 slash users slash, for example, your user ID is 123. Then to get this user ID, you will get it here, something like this. And in your app, when you are using routes, you will do something like this, right? Slash user ID, something like this. So this user ID you need to capture, and when you need to use prevent default. If you want, when you click on the form button, it does not get reloaded, so you need to do prevent default. All right, so there we go. So this bug has been fixed. Now let's work on the comment section. Now I'll close all this. I'll close this. I'll close this. Now if I come to SRC pages, feed page, this is my feed page, and this is my feed post. This is my feed post. Fine. And where's my API? SRC API. Uh, Debanshu Pati 207. It is not getting captured when I send it through the body or header. It worked, but form data it doesn't work. And prevent default is also used, bro. Okay, so in your backend, are you using express.json middleware? If you are using Express, then are you using that express.json middleware? Okay, so if I come here, just a sec. And guys, do let me know like if my stream quality and audio quality, or if I'm lagging or something like that. Fine, this is my feed post, get feed posts. Depanshu Pati 207. No, cause it caused trouble in using Multer. No cause, it cause trouble using multer. So if you're using multer, then you have to use that middleware, multer middleware, right? And using form data, and make sure that when you are using multer, you're passing that in your header, you are using multi-part slash form data, something like this. Where is it? Auth form. You in your header, you are passing content type multi-part form data. This thing. Maybe this is the issue. Okay, get feed post. Fine. This is I got this feed page. I got feed post and this thing I got. Okay, now if I come here, Kushagra Srivastav 4510. Hello, bhaiya. Hello, Kushagra. Welcome back to my stream, brother. How are you? Dipanshu Pati 207. Bro, I fixed up everything. Was working butter, but I tried to migrate my app to upgrade it to Multer, and now file is uploaded only. The issue is that ID is not getting passed in the form data. ID is not getting passed in the form data. Okay. Okay, you can send me the code screenshot in, and the multi is also sent. If not, do that is also auto set. Okay, maybe you can send me the code data. Um, like you can send me the your GitHub code in my Instagram. I will check it out. Okay, so this is here for the employee. And now if I go to MERN social media application users login, test user 2, test user 2 logged in, test user 2 login. Now if I get post, get all posts, get all posts, fine, profile comment is empty. I'm getting this. Comment is empty. Here comments empty. Here comment is there. What comment? To chat GPT. Like it's a basic front end error. I know, no backend issue. I tried it by Postman, working fine. Just the front end issue. So you're passing the ID. Make check your app.tsx where you're using routes. Check that part. That slash colon ID part. Maybe that error is there. I'm not sure. So this is my code. Feed page.tsx. Feed page dot tsx feed.api.ts. This is the API response. What the hell, man? What the hell is it? What this? Get on post. Yeah, this one. Now I want that when user clicks on the comment, it expands and shows the comment. The user who username, profile pic of the user who commented, and there should be a input form that allows the user to comment. this is my API backend SRC controllers, common controller, backend controller. And now let's see. Nice, your feed is already pretty solid. Let's add an expandable comment section per post. Click on comment, expand collapsible comments, fetch comments from backend, fine. Show commenter username per profile pic, input box to add new comment, update UI instantly after commenting, fine. Dipanshu Pati. Nah, I am screwed. My brain is fired up. I'm using JS by the way. Anyways, let's see what I can do. Let me see. Okay. Shri Gautam Kushwaha. Hello Shri Gautam Kushwaha. Welcome to my stream. भैया मैं बीसीए कर रहा हूँ, मुझे भी फुल स्टैक डेवलपर बनना है, क्या करें? गाइड करो भैया। ओके, सबसे पहले जावास्क्रिप्ट सीखो, अच्छे से सीखो, ठीक है? फिर बैकएंड सीखो, लाइक एक्सप्रेस सीखो। एक्सप्रेस के अंदर राउट्स वगैरह सीखो, मिडलवेयर क्या होते हैं, रेस्ट एपीआई कैसे बनाते हैं, डेटाबेस कैसे कनेक्ट करते हैं, वो सब सीखो। उसके बाद रिएक्ट जेएस सीखो एंड फिर तीनों को यूज़ करके एक प्रोजेक्ट बनाओ, लाइक सिंपल टू डू एप्लीकेशन बनाओ, उसमें ऑथेंटिकेशन डालो। ये हो गया पहला लेवल। फिर दूसरा लेवल में अंडरस्टैंड कैशिंग, रेट लिमिटिंग, हाउ टू अपलोड फाइल्स, ये सब करो। फिर ऐसे कर करके प्रोजेक्ट्स बनाओ। अजय देवेक्स, व्हाट्सअप, हेलो अजय, वेलकम टू माय स्ट्रीम। नथिंग अजय, जस्ट वर्किंग ऑन माय एप्लीकेशन, लाइक सोशल मीडिया एप्लीकेशन। And api.ts API export const get comments by post id equals async post id, which is a string. Then after this const response equals await api dot get hash comments slash all, just a sec, get comment by post id comments slash all slash comments slash all slash dollar post id, yep, post id, then return response.data. Just a sec, if I do this, get comments switch to success. Okay, get out mouse. Data fine commented by, okay, export const। श्री गौतम कुशवाहा, भैया एआई के आने वेब डेवलपर का जॉब ख़त्म हो गया क्या? अगर आपको स्किल आता है, लाइक एआई की वजह से ऑब्वियसली जॉब कम हो गए हैं, बट अगर आपको स्किल अच्छे से आता है एंड यू कैन बिल्ड प्रोडक्ट्स लाइक सिंपल फुल स्टैक प्रोडक्ट्स, then you can still get hired. Chaudhary Rishabh, Hello bhai. Hello Chaudhary Rishabh. Welcome back to my stream, brother. How are you? Get comments by ID. uh, Create comment equals async. Const response equals await API dot post API dot post slash comments slash create comment slash dollar post ID passing the comment. This is the comment. Yes. After this, return response dot data dot data create comment. Kushagra Srivastava. Bhaiya, I am from a tier 3 college, and honestly, it feels very tough to reach the top 20% because of competition from the IITs and NITs. What should a student like me do differently to stand out? Build Just don't build projects, build real world products. Like if you build real world products like end to end production ready code and you have deployed it and people are using it, and then you can show that project to your, like the person who's trying to hire you, then obviously you will stand out, because even IITians and NITians, apart from startups, nobody builds products, right? And if you build product, then you will stand out. Bishnu Prasad Mohapatra. Hello Bishnu Prasad Mohapatra. Welcome to my stream. भाई बता दो कि सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियरिंग के जॉब के लिए क्या क्या पढ़ना पड़ेगा, और आप कहाँ पे जॉब करते हैं करेंटली? मैं अभी जॉब नहीं करता हूँ, मैं अपना खुद का स्टार्टअप बना रहा हूँ, तो मैं अभी जॉब नहीं कर रहा हूँ। और जॉब लेने के लिए आपको एक प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज अच्छे से आनी चाहिए, ठीक है। फिर अगर आप फुल स्टैक डेवलपर के रोल के लिए आप जा रहे हो, तो आपको बैक एंड अच्छे से आनी चाहिए, आपको फ्रंट एंड आनी चाहिए, फ्रंट एंड में रिएक्ट जेएस आनी चाहिए अगर आप रिएक्ट की तरफ जा रहे हो। और बैक एंड में अगर आप जावास्क्रिप्ट कर रहे हो, तो आपको एक्सप्रेस नोड डेटाबेसेस के साथ काम करना आना चाहिए। इट्स एनी। हे व्हाट्सअप, हेलो एनी, वेलकम बैक टू माय स्ट्रीम, हाउ आर यू? Create comment, then delete comment. Okay, export const delete comment async post id string const response equals await API dot delete slash comments slash delete comment slash post slash dollar post id dollar comment dollar comment id. I need to capture the comment id, which is a string as well. Comment id, that's it. And I'll do return response dot data. Fine. Then I have to create a comment types here, comment dot ts. Just copy this one. So interface comment users profile image, interface comment type id comment commented by. Fine. Then full update feed post with expandable comments. Okay. Feed post comment route, done. Feed page, feed post, comment API, comments type, feed page, feed post. Okay. It's any great. It's see any controllers. Yeah, controllers I have built. Like here is my controllers in my backend. Where is it? Here. Controllers I have built. I'm working with a comment today. Like here, basically, I want that if a user comes to this page, a feed page, and somebody clicks on this comment section, then this expands and user can type the comment. That's what I'm working on today. Uh, Hiradio467. Hello, Hiradio467. Welcome to my stream. Bro, React Native or Web Dev, what should I choose for now? See, React Native is good. Competition is fairly low as compared to uh, web development, but you need a good resource. Like your laptop should be minimum 16 GB RAM, or else you will not be able to run Android Studio smoothly. So you need good resource. Apart from that, if you have the resource, then you should go for React Native, but learn backend also, so that you can become a full stack mobile app developer as well. Okay. श्री गौतम कुशवाहा, भैया मेरे कॉलेज में पढ़ाई नहीं होती और मेरे प्रोग्रामिंग बहुत वीक, सी एंड सी प्लस प्लस हल्का हो का पढ़ा हूँ। सिर्फ मेरे को प्रोग्रामिंग समझ भी नहीं आती। इंटरेस्ट कैसे बढ़ाऊँ और कहाँ से पढ़ाई करूँ? सबसे पहले एक, अगर तुम्हें जॉब रेडी बनना है, सी प्लस प्लस ठीक है, लाइक इंटरेस्ट है तो करो, नहीं तो मैं तो सजेस्ट करता हूँ कि जावा स्क्रिप्ट उठाओ। जावा स्क्रिप्ट यूट्यूब से पढ़ो, चाय और कोड यूट्यूब चैनल में जाओ, वहाँ पे जावा स्क्रिप्ट उठाओ, प्लेलिस्ट उठाओ, वो पूरा प्लेलिस्ट कंप्लीट करो जावा स्क्रिप्ट की। उसके बाद बैकएंड सीखना स्टार्ट करो, नोट सीखो, एक्सप्रेस सीखो, प्रोजेक्ट सी बनाओ, उसका रिएक्ट जेएस सीखो। ये 3 हो गया, फिर प्रोजेक्ट बना के अप्लाई मारना स्टार्ट कर दो। बिल्ला मोजाम 07, हेलो बिल्ला, वेलकम टू माई स्ट्रीम। बिल्ला मोजाम, my bro, are looking handsome and keep your hard work up. Thanks, Bilal Mozam. Thanks for the compliment, brother. Means a lot. All right, so there we go. Comment controller, feed post. I'll come here now. Let's see the code. What am I doing? Basically, this is feed post, root state, user yeah, I know, link, create comment and get comment by post ID. These two API I'm calling. Okay, import type. Okay, let's do this. Import create comment, get comments by post ID, then import type, comment type, then user like a loading say just show comments. I need that show comments. Fine. I need const show comments, set show comments, use state false, and here it will be boolean show comments, then const comments set comments, use state comment type, this comment state type will be comment type array, and this will be an empty array. Comment set comments, then const comment text, set comment text, use state this, then const loading comments, set loading comments, use state false. Okay, श्री गौतम कुशवाहा, फुल स्टैक डेवलपर जॉब कहाँ करते ही? मैं अभी जॉब नहीं करता हूँ कुशवाहा, मैं अभी खुद का स्टार्टअप बनाने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ. Hira Dio 467. Bro, suggest best way to learn Node.js. You can, there's this playlist from Piyush Garg YouTube channel. There's a Node.js video. You can watch that video if you want to understand Node.js. By the way, the pronunciation is Bilal Moazzam. Okay, Bilal. I'll keep that in mind. Zoom Boy 69. Hello Zoom Boy, welcome to my stream. भैया मैं बिगिनर हूँ, बैकएंड कहाँ से करूँ? नोड जेएस और पाइथन, जैंगो और फ्लास्क. सी जैंगो काफ़ी पावरफुल बैकएंड फ्रेमवर्क है. पूरा इंस्टाग्राम का बैकएंड नोड जेएस से पावर्ड है. ठीक है, अगर आपको पाइथन में इंटरेस्ट है आप जैंगो कर सकते हो. नहीं तो अगर आप जस्ट स्टार्ट कर रहे हो तो आप जावास्क्रिप्ट सीखो एंड नोड जेएस में घुस जाओ. विष्णु प्रसाद मोहापात्रा. होल्ड ऑन. Any issues? Guys, any issue with my stream? Do let me know. Alright. Any issues? Hold on, what is happening? Guys, any issues with my stream? Do let me know, guys. Like quality and audio is fine. विष्णु प्रसाद मोहापात्रा. भाई कोई ऑनलाइन कोर्स लेकर पढ़ना सही होगा या फिर यूट्यूब में पढ़ना सही रहेगा? अगर आपके पास रिसोर्सेज है आप इन्वेस्ट कर सकते हो ऑनलाइन कोर्सेज में, देन करो. उसमें क्या है कि स्ट्रक्चर्ड वे होता है, आपका टाइम बचेगा. एंड अगर आपके पास टाइम है और लाइक आपको कोर्सेज नहीं लेने तो आप यूट्यूब से भी पढ़ सकते हो, बट आपको अच्छे से रिसर्च करना पड़ेगा. इट्स एनी. ओ बट हाउ विल दिस वर्क? लाइक the state for the button will update through click event, and then it will update the data through API database, and then it will reflect on the complete app. Yes, that's how the flow will work. It's Annie. Kushagar Srivastav. As a student from a tier 3 college, failures feel very discouraging. How can we bounce back and stay consistent? See, first is that Kushagar Srivastav, don't get dependent on motivation. Motivation comes and go away. Build discipline, code every single day, build projects. Don't leave projects halfway. Complete the project and deploy it. If you can build at least 5 projects on your own without any tutorial, trust me, your skills are better than 90% of the people. Bilal, I am learning CPP and DSA from Apna college. It's too long, so much lecture, but I am doing it. I am just a 13-year-old boy. What should I do after learning CPP? DSA, by the way, I had learned C sharp, etc. Okay, if you are learning DSA, that is completely fine, and you are so young, you have so much of time. Right now, if you master DSA, that is the correct path. Master DSA, it will improve your logic building, and after you master DSA, then you can easily learn any programming. Once you understand, get a grasp of any one programming language, like you understand loops, iterators, pointers, memory management, then what are arrays, linked list, stack, queues, data structure, different data structures, then you can understand any different programming language easily, right? So right now you're young, keep going this path, understand DSA, you are doing fine, and after you complete DSA, keep solving questions, and after 1 or 2 years you can start learning full stack development or any extra passion that you have, like AI, ML, or anything that you're interested in. Renovo Digitals. Hello, brother. Hello, Renovo Digitals. Welcome back to my stream, brother. How are you? आदित्य ब्लॉग्स. ये आप कोड कितने लाइंस का लिखे हो पाजी, एंड डीएसए कैसे इंप्रूव करो ये बताओ. यार ये कोड का कितना लाइन हो गया? लाइक आई डोंट नो, 1000 के ऊपर हो गया होगा आराम से अभी तो. एंड डीएसए कैसे इंप्रूव करूँ ये बताओ. डीएसए लाइक दिन में एक क्वेश्चन उठाओ, लाइक ज़्यादा उसमें दिन के 6 घंटे मत डालो, सिर्फ 1 घंटा काफ़ी है, बट डू इट एवरी सिंगल डे इफ यू वांट टू इंप्रूव. Renova Digitals. Brother, I have a question. Yeah, ask Renova. Aditya X Vlogs. Yeah, आप कोडिंग कितने लाइन्स? ओके, आई हैव आंसर्ड दिस. श्री गौतम कुशवाहा. प्रोग्रामिंग करने के लिए कौन सा एप्लीकेशन यूज़ करें? मैं तो VS कोड यूज़ करता हूँ. टाइलर. हेलो टाइलर, वेलकम बैक टू माई स्ट्रीम. हैव यू सीन स्ट्रीम ऑफ Bridge binds. He does same stream format as you. Yeah, I've seen like he does vibe coding. Like he's building a vibe coding application. Sometimes I see the stream. I like that stream as well. Shri Gautam Kushwaha. Yes. Okay. Renova Digitals. I made, brother. I made a school management system. I use Python, Flask, SQLite 3 for nowadays. For now, where I will use MySQL, and for frontend I use HTML and JS. That is completely fine. Now the problem is that how can I prevent the web app from redistributing and copying like it's offline right now, and with a few features that are online. I thought of some solutions and I also want to discuss with you to get the best solution for retain the product authenticity. Okay, first is, you can create an online contract. Like before a user logs in, you can give that, there's this readme section, right, where a user has to accept, click on accept, then the user can proceed. You can proceed that, then it will have a digital contract, and later if somebody tries to copy that, then you can take legal actions using that contract. And second is that prevent taking screenshot of your web application. You can do that. Then these are the few things that you can do. Renova Digitals. I'm thinking of making it hybrid, like the backend server would be on VPS. That would require licensing to work. Yeah, you can do that. Hybrid Renova Digitals. श्री गौतम खुशवाहा भैया यूट्यूब से कहाँ से पढ़ूँ जेएस देयर इज अ यूट्यूब चैनल कॉल्ड चाय और कोड यू कैन स्टडी फ्रॉम देयर ओके सो देयर वी गो नाउ इफ वी कम हियर वेयर इज इट yep here this is done like a handle toggle fetch comments okay now here we go now const fetch comments using try catch error will be of type any toast dot error failed to get comments failed to load comments load okay load comments and in finally section it will be set loading comments to false fine yep now here we go in try section I'll do set loading comments to true then const data equals await get comments by post id and here I'll pass the post dot underscore id yes then set comments to data or I can make it yeah data is fine fetch comments hold on const fetch comment then I'll use a use effect okay const toggle comments okay then I'll create const toggle comments handle toggle comments handle toggle comments and here set show comments to previous value yep prev set show comment if dollar no show comments if it is false then fetch comments I'm calling this function yep for this then handle add comment then const handle add comments there we go here I'm adding this then set show comments previous value previous it's not prev then if it is false set show comments it is false then Fetch comments. Hold on. Handle add comments. Yeah, okay, yeah, I made a mistake. Okay, got it. Not this one. Yeah, handle add comments. Okay. If there is no user, firstly, if there is no user, I cannot do this. Then I'll say toast dot error login to comment, and I'll simply return. It's see any in app platforms like this, possible features that we can implement with WebSockets. We can implement chatting application. We can use for chatting. We can use WebSockets for notifications. Then these are the two main things that I can think of right now. Other than chat notification system, it's a big thing. A big thing. It's any. श्री गौतम खुशवाहा, चाय और कोड है चैनल का नाम भैया, जेएस का। हाँ, चाय और कोड। User TSX. Okay, ha. Chai or code is good. Yeah, user, it is good. And welcome to my stream, user. Zoom Boy 69. भैया भैया मैंने पाइथन सारे कंसेप्ट क्लियर हो गए, बट व्हेन आई जस्ट बिल्ड एनी प्रोजेक्ट सब अलग लगता है। एक जारविस प्रोजेक्ट था, उसको देखा देखा तो एकदम डिफरेंट ही कोड और डॉक्यूमेंट्री आ गई। ये होता है। सी अंडरस्टैंडिंग अ लैंग्वेज एंड बिल्डिंग प्रोजेक्ट यूजिंग दैट लैंग्वेज इज कम्प्लीटली डिफरेंट, बट आपको धीरे धीरे करना पड़ेगा। जब आप बिगिनर होगे, जब आप पहला खुद अपना प्रोजेक्ट बनाओगे, आपको कुछ समझ नहीं आएगा, बट आपको धीरे धीरे आपको यहाँ पे फर्स्ट प्रिंसिपल कंसेप्ट लगाने पड़ेंगे। मतलब बड़े प्रॉब्लम का छोटे प्रॉब्लम में डिवाइड करो और छोटे प्रॉब्लम में डिवाइड करो, और जब से सबसे रूट लेवल के प्रॉब्लम को सॉल्व करो, फिर धीरे धीरे ऊपर चढ़ो। प्रॉब्लम छोटा प्रॉब्लम आ रहा है, सॉल्व करो, फिर आगे बढ़ो। ऐसे होता है। So you can try this approach. Okay, if there is no user, return. Then if there is no comment, text dot trim post dot error comment cannot be empty. Fine, then I'll return. Then I will return. Fine. Then I'll do try catch. Catch type is any. Try is any, and here I'll do toast dot error dot message or something went wrong. Failed to add comment. Failed to add comment, right? Then after this is done, try catch is done, then I'll simply do const new comment equals await create comment. Hold on, I make it async. Create comment. Okay, create comment comment text post. Hold on, create comment. First argument is post id. First argument is post dot underscore id, and the second is comment text. Done. Then I'll do set comments. I take the previous value. Then I'll do new comment, then dot prev. Okay, I'm using the spread operator, and I'm okay. Fine, got it. Done. Then okay, where is it? What did I do? Here. Okay, just a sec. Fetch comments, add comments. Then here I'm doing set comment text to empty. Fine, there we go. Done. Then this is done. Ian Ali. Hi, Ian Ali. Welcome to my stream. I have started learning AI at the age of 13, and now I am 14, and I have learned ML, DL, uh, NLP, Python, Transformer, HTML, CSS. Now I am thinking about that I should move forward Gen AI or full stack and agentic AI. Yeah, that is a very good achievement that you have achieved. INLE, that is very good. At such a young age, you have learned so many things. But I will suggest that pick one path. Like, see, you have done well in the you have learned AI, ML, deep learning, transformers. Then I will suggest that you dive deep into building LLMs. Right, because see, LLMs take a lot of effort, but if you can master the art of building LLM on your own, then trust me, your future is really bright. So I'll suggest that before going to Gen AI, understand, like how GPT works, all those things, and try to build it on your own. Like learn PyTorch, learn how to scrape data, and create your own model using those data. You can do these things, and then you can move. Eventually, you can move to Gen AI on all those things. Okay, so INLE, I have responded. Okay. Shubham the developer. You're literally copy pasting, like you just understand the code but can't make logic. If you think you can make logic, just don't use AI for this video. Try debugging yourself and code it. See, the thing is that I have built backend on my own, and like front end I'm trying to save as much time as I can because I understand the logic. And like I know, if I give my time, but it will take a lot of time, and I want to complete this project and deploy it as soon as possible. And that is why I'm using AI. I have built my backend because I like to build backend on my own. So yeah. Okay. अनुज गुप्ता 10 प्रोजेक्ट कितना बन गया है वो दिखाओ. Okay, Anuj. So basically, here we are. If I log in, test user 2, I log in. This is here. Then simple like, unlike. If I come here, I can follow, unfollow a user. Then here I can see the posts I can like from here. This is what I've done till now. Right now I'm working on the comment section, how to add comments. Okay. Yeah, finally I have responded to your message. I hope you got my message. It's Annie. Okay, then to get updated numbers of likes and say comments, we have to refresh our page. Then only it will update. It states no. See, no, no, that will not happen. Why? Because what is happening? See, if you come here, if you check carefully, when I'm unfollowing, the follower count is decreasing. I don't have to refresh the page, and if I'm following, the followers count is increasing. Right? Why? Because I'm using state, like use state I'm using, and whenever after I get the data, I am after the following has been added, I'm updating the state in my application. That is why I don't need to refresh the page. Fine. Anuj Gupta 10. Okay, great. Yeah, thanks, Anuj. All right. So where was I? Okay. So where is it changing? Post container flex gap 2. Okay, item center. This is done. This is done. This is done. Okay, this is done. New date. Okay, 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 okay. Here then post content done. Then likes I got, art, comments. Yes, there we go. This is my comment section. Comment. Yep. Button. Where's my button? Comment button. Hold on. Button. This is my button. And comment. Okay, I have to make some changes. Okay, from here if I copy this entire part, yes I did. Where's this div? Okay. Which div is this? This div. Which div is this? I think gap 4, gap. This div. Hold on, let's do this one by one. Let's copy this button section from here. Let's comment this part for now. Let's comment this. If I comment, that's just gone. Now if I add this, I added this. Hold on. I added this part. Then this div is done. Then this div is done. Then show comment section. This part. Show comment section. This part. Okay. 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 Shubham the developer, then why typing line by line? Just copy paste the code when you know it's not my part. See, like I don't want to copy paste because copy paste I get confused a lot when I just copy paste. So when I understand the code and when I just type it, it is better for my own understanding because copy paste is just blind copy pasting. I don't like to do for this project. I want to understand the code also. Okay, it's Annie. Like virtual DOM tree structure to get the state of change of component. Yeah, see, basically in React, there's a concept of virtual DOM. Like when we make a change, first React make changes to the virtual DOM and then compares it with the actual DOM, right? And then it just understand what are the changes that I need to do. Then it changes the main DOM. That's how React works. Suraj Dai. Why do you use ChatGPT? Simply install GitHub Copilot and take help. Yeah, I can do that, but if I get used to it and if then I have to pay. If GitHub Copilot stops giving suggestions, I need to pay extra. So I don't want to get into that habit of extra burden. Like if I start getting good amount of revenue, then obviously I'll use it. Babu Bhaiya, hello Babu Bhaiya, welcome to my stream. Hello sir, MySQL करूँ या SQLite for Python Flask? See, SQLite production में use नहीं होता है. Learn MySQL. Finally, sir, thanks for your response. I want to ask that if AI powered DevOps, how no HTML, CSS, JS, React, Next.js, Node.js, Express, Flutter, React Native, Python, AI, ML, DL, generate transformers, where you see him. If you learn all of this, then obviously your skills are too good. But there's this thing called jack of all trades, master of none. Like if you are able to master all of this, then that is very good. But if you want to go deep into something, then you have to make some sacrifices and you have to pick one path. So I will suggest that you pick one good path. Like you have reached quite ahead in AI, ML, and machine learning, deep learning, and all those things. So I would suggest that you stick to it and go till the end. Like learn as much as you can, and then in future, because this has a great future, right? And if you have the leverage, you have the head start, then it will be good for you. Right. सूरज दाई, आज पिन कमेंट डालना भूल गए क्या? हाँ, मैं पिन कमेंट डालना भूल गया. सूरज दाई, गिटहब को पायलट फ्री तो है. मतलब पूरा फ्री है कि नहीं ये मुझे नहीं पता. लाइक जहाँ तक मेरे को पता है कि थोड़ा बहुत वो लोग बाद में पैसे मांगने लग जाते हैं. आई एम नॉट श्योर. It's any message retracted. Suraj Dai message retracted. Suraj Dai. Okay, fine. So what is happening is here show comment section. I'll just create. This is my comments section. Here I am creating a div. No, first I'm checking if show comments is true. If show comments is true, only then we are proceeding with this. Yep, there's a div. Class name mt4 space y3 border top border white dash 10 pt4. Fine. Then if loading comments is true, then I'm doing this, or else I'm doing this. If loading comments is true, then I can add a spinner here. There's the spinner, and if it is not true, okay, just a sec. If this is not true, I'm doing one thing, that comments dot length is equal to 0. If it is true, I'm doing this, or else I'm doing this. If it is 0, I'm simply giving a p tag with the class name, text white 60, text sm, then no comments yet. I'll type no comments yet, and here if it's greater than, then I'll just map through it. Comments dot map, I'll have the each comment part. This each comment part. Then I'll have div. I have this div key. I'll have the key comment dot underscore id. Then I'll have the class name flex items center, gap of 2, fine, gap of 2. Then inside this div, what are the things that I have? Image img tag, I have the img tag, self closing img tag, and src equals comment dot commented by dot profile image. Yep. And I have the class name as width of 8, height of 8, rounded full object cover. Let's see, any changes, any errors? Yup, yeah, I'm getting this. Something is happening, and if I come here, okay, hold on. Then we'll see. Okay. बाबू भैया, यस, डीप जाने के लिए ज़्यादा हार्ड वर्क है, इंस्पाइट ऑफ सब कुछ कर लिया. ओके, सूरज आई पेड फॉर क्लाउड एंड अदर प्रीमियम AI. ओके, फाइन सूरज. Shivan the developer. Ayan Ali, it's so amazing that you know about this stuff, but try to explore other areas of coding because you are just 14, so exploring other things, keep your interest in coding with AI stuff. Yup. Suraj Dai, free alternative kilo code extension, try when you are free, not in the agent mode, just ask mode, so you can get code developer. Okay, fine. Suraj Dai, thanks for the suggestion, Suraj. It's Annie. Is there any batching or timing mechanism that controls when DOM changes or string synced to backend state, or is it backend updated on every single DOM change event? There is no time, like we have this React compiler, right? So whenever I make a change in my code, and if the virtual DOM is different from the actual DOM, then only it makes changes. If it is same, then it does not make any change. Suraj Dai, 100% wipe coded Android app. Oh, that's nice. All right. So img tag, I'm getting the img tag. Hold on. Where is it? Why am I getting this bitrate? Okay, I'll see. Front end, if I come here, yeah. Where is it? Yeah, here. This is done. Then after this image tag, I'll have a div. I have a div here. I have a div with the class name of, I can copy the class name, this one. This is here, then with the p tag, the p tag, comment dot commented by dot username, and there will be a class name text sm text white font bold. Let's see. I will come here. Any changes? Here, comment is there. Why am I not getting this? What is the issue here? Okay. Okay, let's remove this one. Any change? What is the issue? Hold on. I come here, this p tag, I have this p tag, comment dot comment. I have this add comment part, add comment part, add comment part, add comment part. Okay, this is done, this is done. Then here I'll have the add comment part. What the fuck is the issue here? Just a sec, something is off. What is off here? Why? If I come here, yeah, test comment one. I'm getting test. Okay, maybe some. Okay, got it. Uh, this is here. This is profile image, object cover. Okay. Darling Vijay Kumar. Hello Vijay Kumar. Welcome to my stream, brother. Suresh Copilot is free and ask mode for agent mode is limited 50 messages per month. Okay. Got it, Suraj. Aditya Saxena. I am planning to purchase Chai Code Cohort 2026. Is it worth it? Uh, Aditya Saxena, like I have no idea about that cohort because I never took it, so I cannot comment on it. Okay, so there we go. Comment. This is here. I have test comment one. Test comment one. Test comment one. Hi, bro. I am Sid Daraj. Hello, Sid Daraj. Welcome to my stream, brother. If I come here, test comment one. I'm looking and test username. Commented by. Hold on. Here, which API am I calling? Which API am I calling here? Hold on. Uh, Fetch comments, get comments by post ID, comment by post ID, right? And if I come here, get comments by post ID, put in this API, I'm getting the commented by. This commented by comment user dot. Okay, comment dot. Let's see. Feed page, comment API. Where is it? Comment API, comment API. Feed post. Okay. There, here we go. Now comment dot commented by. If I do this, comment dot commented by dot ID. If I do this, am I getting this? Inspect. Okay. Slash all comment slash all slash all Hold on, comment dot username commented by. If I come here, comment controller, comment API, comment types, comment.ts, interface comment I commented by, comment user. But in my API, comment here, commented by, feed page. Hi bro, I am Sid Raj. Hello Sid, welcome to my stream. YT Raj. Can you tell me what tech stack you use? I'm using MERN stack, MongoDB Express, Node, React.js. Aditya Saxena. Node.js, yeah, I think. Yes, Aditya, I'm using, yeah, YT Raj. I'm using Node.js and React.js here. This is the API response of Uh, Ritik Tale. Hello Ritik, welcome to my stream. After completing this project, can you share this code? Yeah, my this code is available in my GitHub. अनुज गुप्ता, बुरा मत मानना पर भाई जेन्युइन क्वेश्चन है। मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम स्ट्रीम पे कमेंट्स ही पढ़ते रहते हो, सो तुम्हें कोड करने जमता है, फ्लो टूट नहीं जाता है? या लाइक फ्लो थोड़ा बहुत इफेक्ट तो होता ही है इसमें, इसीलिए कभी कभी मैं कमेंट्स लाइक जब ज़्यादा ध्यान में रहता हूँ तो कमेंट्स देखना भूल जाता हूँ। जब टाइम मिलता है कमेंट्स देख लेता हूँ। Okay, so comment controller, comments, comment API, feed post. Yes, now in my comment, this div is this and this are here. Add comment part, div, div class name, flex, gap of 2, pt2, and there will be an input, there will be a class name, this class name I'll put, this class name, then there will be a place holder, write a comment, then I'll have the value as comment text, then on change here we'll have this e, then set comment text, the e dot target dot value, then this is here, then I'll have the button on click, handle add comments, handle add comment, handle, this will be handle add comment, handle add comment, handle add comment, handle add comment button, handle add comment, then class name here, yes, then here I'll type post. Now if I come here, refresh, let's do one thing here, let's add a comment. I like this is our testimonial. Yep, I'll do here great post, post, this is done. Now if I come here, comment great post, but this post color I'm not liking it. This post color should be of same color as theme color, so blue, not blue. Where is my nav bar, and here I need to give, okay, where is that general part, front end src pages components components general nav bar. I will pick this color, I wanted this color, fine, feed post, this color bg, this, remove this and remove this here, and this will be cursor pointer, this will be cursor pointer, this is it. If I do this, cannot be empty. Fine, and one more thing, when the comment has been posted successfully, comment text, okay. ऋतिक काले, भाई मैं भी रिएक्ट सीख रहा हूँ, आप मुझे गाइड कर सकते हो क्या? जी बिल्कुल, लाइक ऋतिक, क्या क्या सवाल है आपके, आप पूछिए मेरे से, मैं आपको गाइड करने की कोशिश करूँगा। हैंडल एट कमेंट, ओके, सो देयर वी गो, दिस इज पोस्ट डॉट सक्सेस, comment posted. This is the post. This is the post. If I come here, this is here. This is the post. Feed post. Yes, feed post. Huza Kev, Huzef Mohammed. Hello Huzef, welcome to my stream. Okay. Bro, I am learning React 2. Where are you learning from? Okay. This is here. Just one more thing that when this comment has been posted, if this is the comment, loved it. I post it, comment posted, but this count is not increasing. Okay, this count, everything is fine. This is good, but after comment has been posted, the comment count is not increasing. Increasing. I mean, because you are still using the old post.comments count that came from the feed API when you create. Okay, having this have fixed front-end update comment count locally in your feed post at local state for comment count. Replace this feed post with state comment count. Just put this update count in the backend. Pushing the command store comments count in your post model updated in the real. अनुज गुप्ता 10 कहाँ से हो वैसे? अनुज मैं वेस्ट बंगाल इंडिया से हूँ. Burn social media comments. Just a sec. This is my this comment count that I'm getting here. This comment is here. This comment should be just this comment section. If we post this comment, comment button earlier. Here it should be cursor pointer. Cursor pointer here as well. Cursor pointer. Yeah, cursor pointer. Okay. Just a sec. Here. This. Now let's do delete comment also. Hold on, this is working. Test user 1. Here it will be okay, fine. What is happening? ऋतिक काले या हूँ बाबा अनुज गुप्ता 10 बंगाली हो नहीं मैं बंगाली नहीं हूँ बट मैं वेस्ट बंगाल में रहता हूँ. Huzef Mohammed. Hey Abhishek, I am learning React nowadays. What should I learn next? I want to become a full stack web developer. Your suggestions, please. After learning React, it means if you are learning React, I'm assuming that you know JavaScript. So after learning React, you can go into backend. You can learn Node.js, express.js. Ritik Kale. how to get first job as a front end. Learn React.js, learn JavaScript, build good look, like improve your styling skills, like improve your CSS skills, your Tailwind CSS skills, then build front end projects, very good looking projects. Because if you want to get into front end, especially into front end, then it means that you're telling the interviewer that you're very good at front end. So your skills should show that, right? So build good front end applications, and then create projects, deploy it, and get the deployed link in your resume, and then start applying. This is my feed. This This is my API feed.api.ts comment.api.ts comment.api.ts comment. Then here is my yeah, okay, I don't actually need the controller. Feed API, this is all post. This is the get, this is the VS Code, feed post, feed API, this is the get post API response. This is the comment create, get comments by ID response, API response, get comments by ID, API response. Now when when the comment is posted, the comment count is not increasing. State for commits, correct fix. That's it. Now it will increase. Why a current code doesn't work? Okay, now I can do this. Feed post. In feed post upon add comments come feed feed post comments come. Okay, let's do this. Add comments come. Post comment come. Put this near other state. Likes count. Comments count in my note. Replace this. Comments comments count. Start on. Hold on. Likes comment comments count, comments count. Step 3, increment count when comment is posted. Handle add comment and add comment, comment, new comment, add comments. Also set comments count previous plus one. Rev plus one. I think now this will be done. And no comments, test user one. Very informative post. Yep, done. Now it's working. It's okay. Um, Jose, Josef Mohammed, thanks for the suggestion. I want to know in what order did you learn technologies after React and from where? See, first I learned JavaScript. Then after learning JavaScript, I learned backend. I started with backend. I learned Express, Node, databases, Postgres, Mongo. Then after learning backend, I built few projects, and then I started learning React. And for React, I saw a playlist from Chai or Code YouTube channel. There's this React playlist. I saw that. अनुज गुप्ता भाई मैकेनिकल कीबोर्ड है क्या? हाँ मैकेनिकल कीबोर्ड ही है एक अनुज. Very informative. So post is increasing. Now let's do the edit and delete. This is working absolutely fine. Now I want to implement and delete. Just a sec. Comment API. Create delete comment. Delete comment feature. Tyler, you followed the first rule. Which rule, Tyler? Which rule are you talking about? अनुज गुप्ता नाम क्या है? नाम तो याद इसमें तो नाम कोई लोकल कंपनी है, लाइक कोई बड़ी कंपनी नहीं है. क्या नाम है? मेरे को नाम भी याद नहीं है, मैं देख के बताऊंगा बाद में. Just give backend src controllers command control. This is my delete comment controller. This is my comment.api.ts. Comment.api.ts. Feed API not required. Never not required. Comment. Where is it? Front end src API comment API. This is my post. Feed post. Okay, you are very close. Your backend is already actually solid. I'll give a drop when it changes. Only no theory fluff backend, small improvement, decrement comments count. This is my feed page. This is my full code feed page. Post feed post feed post comment API comment dot API dot ts feed dot API dot ts. This is my posts API response. कमलेश, हेलो कमलेश, वेलकम टू माय स्ट्रीम। भाई मेरा इतना लंबा चैट है जीपीटी का एक कि पूरे लैग मारता है, मैं यूज़ भी नहीं कर पा रहा हूँ, क्या करूँ? बड़े चैट को थोड़े थोड़े सेक्शंस में डालो, वो काम करेगा। दिस इज माय पोस्ट। क्या है क्या ये? सॉरी फॉर द लैंग्वेज। जस्ट अ सेक। Simply put a dollar dot button. Okay, delete this chat, new chat. This is my code. Surendra. Hello Surendra, welcome to my stream. I'm from West Bengal, India. This is my code feed page. Feed page dot tsx. Feed post dot tsx. Feed post dot tsx. Comment dot API dot ts. Feed dot API dot ts. Feed dot API dot ts. Controller backend controller backend controller controller src controllers host controller host dot controller dot ts comment dot controller dot ts just get all posts API response. Now I want to show the delete comment button to the user who uploaded the post or user who commented. And when the user clicks on the delete comment button, the comment should delete and comment count should decrease. Kamlesh, this is a client project or just to improve skills? This is just to improve my skills, Kamlesh. अनुज गुप्ता, चलता है भाई, सब भाई लोग हैं इधर. Nice, but you just need to write the authorized login the UI. Front end show delete button only to allow you. Update your feed post comment rendering. Flash. Now this is working. Okay, now इसको समझ में आया. Comment controller feed post. Delete comment. I can just get it from here. Delete comment. Fetch comments, all comments, handle add comment. Here I'll create a function const handle delete comment sync comment id, which is a string. Here we go. Then try catch me post dot error dot message or failed to delete the comment. Yep. Okay. Then try. I'll have Tyler. How can someone get full stack freelance client as fresher? Less experience. See, if you are fresher, then it will be very difficult for you to get freelance clients from Upwork or Fiverr because competition is really high there, and people only want to give projects to other people who have already worked, right? So your best option is to get your freelance client from your own network, like people who know you. Show your skills to them, tell them if you want any web application, you can come to me, I'll build it for you, something, because the first client always comes from through your own network. Tyler, uh one Dow's edit. Hello one Dow's edit, welcome to my stream. अरे भाई, आपका काम मुझे पसंद आया, मुझे लगता है आप और व्यूज़ इससे इससे तो इसलिए मैं आपका थंबनेल डिज़ाइन करूँ जस्ट अंडर 100 रुपीज़. ओके. हाय वंडर वाउस एडिट्स. या श्योर, यू कैन कनेक्ट विथ मी ऑन माई इंस्टाग्राम, एंड फ्यूचर में मुझे थंबनेल की ज़रूरत पड़ेगी, आई कॉन्टैक्ट यू. एंड आई एम 15 years old, so how I start? Yeah, you can connect with me on Instagram, and when I need thumbnail, I'll contact you. Fa, hello brother. This side Irfan. Hello Irfan, welcome to my stream, brother. How are you? So handle delete comment. Await delete comment post dot underscore id comma comment id done set comments previous prev dot filter comment dot underscore id is not equal to comment id. Fine. Then set comments count will be prev minus 1. Done. Then toast dot success comment deleted successfully. Show comments. Yes, here show comments. This part, if show comment true, div spinner. I get this. Hold on. Yeah, comments dot map comment. Just a sec. Comments dot map comment here. Comment const is post owner. Where is it? Okay, I will make this. Hold on. It was this here, right? This is it was this. If I add this here, and then I should add this here, and here it will be cut, and here I will do return. Hold on. This, but before this I will do this one thing, that const is post owner equals user dot underscore id equals to post dot owner dot underscore id. Const is comment owner equals user underscore id equals to comment dot commented by dot underscore id. Const can delete equals is post owner or is comment owner. Done. Here I get this. Hold on, this I'll copy it here just before add comment. This is here, then this I get, oh, hold on, just before comment this div here. Okay, if I can add this, can delete if it is true. If it is true, then I'll come here and have this button section here. I'll copy this button, paste this button. Hold on, what is the issue? Was this the issue here? Unreachable code. Okay. Hold on. वंडरबॉउ एडिट, नो नो फॉर कोडिंग। ब्रो कोडिंग कहाँ से करूँ स्टार्ट? आप सबसे पहले एक प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज सीखो, जावास्क्रिप्ट सीखो। फिर आप एक यूट्यूब चैनल पकड़ो जो आपको अच्छा लगे, वहाँ से आप बैकएंड सीखो। एंड फिर फ्रंट एंड सीखना स्टार्ट करो वही जावास्क्रिप्ट यूज़ करके, तो अब आप जल्दी सीखोगे। अभी मैं 10 में हूँ, टाइम है हाँ, बट आप स्टार्ट करोगे तो आपके लिए अच्छा है। इरफान, या इरफान, yep, Irfan. I think your name was Irfan or Farhan, I forgot. Just a sec, I'll just check your name. Farhan or Irfan, you introduce yourself. Okay, where is it your name? Where's your name? Where's your name? Okay, okay. Hello, bro. Irfan, yes, Irfan. Do you integrate AI in this project? If yes, to where and how? Because it's basically social media application, right? Yeah, yes, Irfan. In this application, I'm not using AI. I'm not going to integrate AI. But in future, when I build my own SaaS and startup, I'll use AI. वंडर वॉज एडिट, नो नो फॉर कोडिंग ब्रो। कोडिंग कहाँ से करूँ स्टार्ट? मैं अभी 10th में हूँ। आप कोडिंग यूट्यूब से ही सीखो, एक प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज सीखो, जावास्क्रिप्ट सीखो। फिर आप चाय और कोड यूट्यूब चैनल है, वहाँ से आप सीख सकते हो वंडर वाउज एडिट्स। टाइलर, करेंटली मैं एक यूडेमी कोर्स से कर रहा हूँ। इट कवर्स फ्रंट एंड एचटीएमएल से जावास्क्रिप्ट प्लस बैक एंड नोड एक्सप्रेस डेटाबेस मोंगोडीबी और प्लस सिक्योरिटी फुल स्टैक प्रोजेक्ट डिप्लॉयमेंट, मोटा मोटी। या दैट इज फाइन टाइलर, इफ इट यू आर एबल टू लर्न फ्रॉम दैट कोर्स, दैट्स completely fine. Kamlesh, can you suggest the best free AI extension for VS Code using client currently? I'm not using any AI extensions right now in my VS Code. Tyler, are these topics enough to build the high-level full-stack projects? These topics are enough to build full CRUD application projects. But if you want, you want to have that X factor, then you need to understand caching, rate limiting, file handling as well. So these are the three things that you need to understand. uh, one and socket IO also. Wonderbows edits, bro कोडिंग कहाँ से करूँ? 10th में हूँ। I told you Wonderbows edits you can start from uh, Chayar को YouTube channel. You can go there, learn JavaScript from there, and then start building, then start learning backend. Irfan message retracted. Wonderbows edits, thank you bro, welcome Wonderbows edits. Okay, so Huzef Muhammad. But if you want to learn only what matters, you can watch channels like Sharian Coding School, Code with Harry, and Chire Code. Yeah, that is true. शौर्य सिंह 001, पहले पाइथन और जावा सीख लो ब्रो, स्कूल में भी काम आएगा। या ट्रू। What about it? What's the about Maltpot? See, Maltpot is a very advanced, like काफ़ी अच्छा चीज़ है, मैं देख रहा था उसके बारे में। आप उसको you can download it in your own computer and you can give access to your own files. That is pretty much good. शौर्य सिंह स्पैम मत कर यार। Okay, sorry. Okay, fine. Just a sec. P div. Fine, I'll come here. Right, if I do this, it is unreachable. Can delete and this button. Test the issue. If I am starting this part here, okay, 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 okay. Fix this. शिवम सिंह 001, ये VR हेडसेट एंड एप्पल विजन प्रो के लिए टूल्स एंड ऐप कैसे बनते हैं? अभी तक मैंने इसके बारे में देखा नहीं। डोंट किल ऑल एक्सेस कंप्यूटर फाइल, इट्स टू रिस्की आफ्टर ऑल, थर्ड पार्टी ऑल अप। अनुज गुप्ता, नया नया आया है मार्केट में, ज़्यादा ट्रस्ट नहीं कर सकते। ट्रू। Irfan, brother, I want some full stack project for resume. Should I take from your GitHub? Because lots of tutorials I have been watched, but now I just want to take code and think how is that works. This is a better way. Yeah, if you need the projects, you can obviously use my projects. Like you can go ahead and download those code. राजा प्ले ऐप कहाँ ऐप दिखाओ कहाँ तक बना या राजा प्ले श्योर सो जस्ट वन सेक something in the post here, hold on, this something like this, and here, okay, this is stretched unnecessarily, so post image, this post image, bug fix, post image, post image max height. Do something like this. Why is it stretched like this? I think this looks better. Okay, let's keep it like this. Cool. Post. And post this post here in this post button. Cursor should be pointer. Cursor pointer and on. Yep, here we go. Something like this. So yep. If I come here, follow, unfollow. This follow, unfollow thing is happening. Yep. This is fine, this is fine. I come here, this is fine. Comment section, I get this post yep. हाँ yep, ऐप का अभी तक कहाँ तक हुआ है? टेस्ट यूज़र 2, आई केम हियर, टेस्ट यूज़र 2. So here I'm able to now comment on the posts. For example, I like this post is happening, but I can comment on this post like nice, great work. And if I post, I can also delete the post. So till now I have done this. And just a sec, there's one more issue. Okay, this is happening, this is completely fine, but one more thing here in my front end src components. Irfan, I just want to give one suggestion here. Please, along the side, also explain concept as well because I did not uploading after live because I did not upload. And अच्छा होगा हिंदी में समझा दोगे तो अच्छा मैं कोशिश करूँगा लाइक अगर मैं समझा पाऊँ बिकॉज या मतलब क्या कर रहा हूँ कोड के बारे में वो मैं बताता रहूँगा. So in this components, profile page component, user post component, there's this user info component. I have this button, right? I just need that button style. Yes, I want button like this. I'll just copy this and come to feed post. Here I'll copy this here. Now I can copy this. How does it look? It looks like this. And user info this, and here it looks like this. Let's add user post here. Post. Yep, here. Yep, something like that. Yeah, now this looks better. Awesome content. Awesome content. Content. And please subscribe if you like my stream. Post. Yes, comment posted. Please subscribe to like my stream, and I can also delete this. Fine. Tyler, did you hear about 16,000 layoff by Amazon? Yes, I heard. That's why I have stopped getting dependent on jobs. I want to do something of my own. Yes, now I can follow. Yeah, I'm following. Yep. This is fine. Okay, this is done. And here in my user info is done. User post. In this user post section, when somebody comes to my, I don't want them to click on this because it will again take, this will be an issue because yeah, what I want is, this should not be a link. Remove this link part. And in user post, this should not be a link. It should not be a link. Here also this image should not be a link. Same here as well, it should not be a link. Then this should not be a link. This should not be a link. Yup. Fine. Yup. It should not be a link. And also I need to tomorrow. Okay, so this is done. Irfan, doing job in startup or company, which one better? And by the way, you're also doing any job for now? ज़रा अपने बारे में भी बताओ भाई. मैं अभी जॉब नहीं कर रहा हूँ. मैं अपना खुद का स्टार्टअप बनाने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ. एंड मेरे हिसाब से स्टार्टअप में जॉब करना बेटर होता है क्योंकि क्या है ना कि आप कुछ क्रिएट करने के लिए कंट्रीब्यूट करते हो. सैलरी वैलिडी तो ठीक है, बट क्या है ना कि बड़ी एमएनसीज में ना बस आप एक एम्प्लॉय आईडी बन के रह जाते हो आप. लाइक अगर आप छोड़ोगे 10 लोग और हैं, ठीक है. तो बट स्टार्टअप में क्या है कि यू आर अ कोर मेंबर ऑफ अ स्टार्टअप. सो उसमें मेरे हिसाब से उसमें ज़्यादा वैल्यूज़ होती है. You cannot follow yourself. Just user one. I follow this. सो स्टार्टअप में जॉब करनी चाहिए मेरे हिसाब से. एंड मैं अभी खुद के स्टार्टअप बनाने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ. मैं जॉब नहीं करता हूँ. जावा हेल्पर बॉय. What are you using in the backend? I'm using Node.js and express.js. Java helper boy. So this is done. This is done. So feed section is done. And one more thing here, user post feed page. In my feed post. Yep, in my feed post, in this like option, feed post, this should be a pointer class name. This, this, this. Hold on. This and this, and this can be a JavaScript here, and with this, and before this I can make this cursor pointer. This post, yeah, I can create something like this. Yeah, hold on. There we go. In like also I can do this. Delete comment, toggle comments, fetch comments, is like comment toggle. Hold on, and then toggle like. Is like post. That is fine. Set likes. Like post. If hold on. The may is having a flip, then fine. Front the may set lights minus one. Else simple await insert a toast dot success. You liked this post. Come here. You like this post. I like this post. This notification here. Same thing. Okay. Khan34V7G. Hello Khan, welcome to my stream. Is GitHub Copilot is good or not? I don't use GitHub Copilot much. इरफान अ फनी थिंग आई वांट टू शेयर विथ यू. मैं जब भी अगर कोई कोड के पर्टिकुलर पार्ट के बिहाइंड द सीन और वो कैसे काम करता है वो समझने जाता हूँ तो काफ़ी वक्त लेता हूँ. इरफान ओके मैसेज रिट्रैक्टेड. ओके फाइन. सो इफ आई कम हियर जस्ट अ सेकंड. Is it? This much is fine for me. I come here, close it, close this. Changes. GitHub. This my here's my repository. Repository. Also now front end. SRC. Comment yes, yes, done. Okay, so this is happening. This is done. All right. So, all right, everyone. Thank you for watching the stream. And if you enjoyed the stream, do consider subscribing to my channel. It will mean a lot. And I'll see you in the next stream. Until then, take care of yourself and keep learning. And